From the darkest silver call, Eldoria, hear my voice, ancient realm beyond the wall. In your whispers I rejoice. Hear the halls of endless song, where the brave are never gone. Softly now the whispers call from the gates of Valhalla. Hear the halls of endless song, where the brave are never gone. Softly now the whispers call dreaming deep in ages past, where the old gods softly sleep, ancient vows forever last in the shadows that we keep. Whispers rise through frozen night. Hear the echoes of us all. Sleep beneath the northern sky. Snow and stars will keep you warm. Ancient winds are passing by. In their arms your dreams are born. Stone and flame, remember me. Voices carved in time and bone, ancient echoes wild and free. Guide my spirit, never alone. Of fire, runes of stone, mark the path my soul must tread. Ancient blood, ancient throne, guide the words I've never said. Runes of fire, sleep beneath the northern sky. Snow and stars will keep you warm. Ancient winds are fire, daughters of the frozen sea. Ancient dreams and wild desire live forever, live in me. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea. Ancient dreams and wild desire live forever, live in me. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea. Ancient dreams and wild desire live forever, live in me. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea. Ancient dreams and wild desire live forever, live in me. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea. Ancient dreams and wild desire live forever, live in me. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea. Ancient dreams and wild desire live forever, live in me. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea. Ancient dreams and wild desire live forever, live in me. Stone and flame, remember me. Voices carved in time and bone. Ancient echoes, wild and free, guide my spirit, never alone. Dreaming deep in ages past, where the old gods softly sleep, ancient vows forever last in the shadows that we keep. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea, ancient dreams and wild desire live forever. Live in me, live forever, live in me. We are born of wind and fire, daughters of the frozen sea, ancient dreams